Morning again. Thank you for joining my channel, Oral Daily DIY. I am trying to install my new bulb. This is the LED Kush Ray bulb. Got on eBay, and this is for the fog lamp. This is a Mazda Primacy or Mazda 5 engine, and I've already removed the clips. Very easy to remove. I have a little bit more because I have a lip here, a lip on the front, so I have a little bit more to remove, and I had to turn the wheel in for me to get to the bulb. But because I have the lip, I'm having a little difficulty in not reaching the bulb, but in showing you the bulb. If you see something here, that is the oil separator catch can for the from the can case, the blow by. That's not what we're looking at today though. We're looking at the, see that green top tab in there. I'm not sure you're seeing it. I don't think you're seeing it as yet. I'm trying to focus for you to see, but I'm seeing it. I don't know why you're not seeing it. You see there, that green tab right there. We're going to squeeze that connector, pull it down, and turn that knob there, and then install the bulb right in there. So I'm going to get my hands in there, pull down on that tab, and get it out. All right. So there we go. We took out this one, and this is turned. This is the left hand side of the vehicle, so this is turned to the left to loosey, and it's pulled out of the socket, and this is the one that I'll insert in. Same 1-to-1 size, and same kind of connection, and it's matching. Alright, so same 1-to-1 connection. This is the one that has taken out, and connector is the same connection, and we're going to install this one, put it back in, and turn it to the right. Alright, so people, the connection here is the same right here on the bulb right there. That little connector here, those little 3 tab there, one here, 3 there, they're the same as on the older bulb. I don't know if this one is blown. It would look so, but going to be connecting same. They are very. We are putting back things together. Light is working well. looks copacetic. All we have to do is put back some clips. This one in. That's easy. 1, 2, 3. And then we have this one here. This is the factory clip. Previous one I put in wasn't. Give me a little more strength. It's not much to clip on. Making sure putting back together. And I can see inside it. Look at this one. Trying to put in this one. Let's remove that. Make sure it's aligned. Let's go back this one. There's a thing in the way right here. The don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's a what is called the water pump for the windshield right in there, and the place is already tight and I can't see in there, so I have to go underneath to assist in taking down this, pulling out this bulb. So it's some 8mm screw, and I think it's about 2 that I'll be removing. What am I doing? So it's lefty loosey, as usual. And they're out like that. One more here. I'm gonna be pulling down this. See if I can get my hand up in there. And just like how I know where they are. So that's perhaps another mechanism how to get in here. So I'm just going based off feel. And then I squeeze that little tab there. Oh. So I'm going in blind, not seeing a thing, but I'm aware of what is it I have. And then squeeze the system, the tab and pull it down. Kind of rough with my left hand. So based on my recollection, it's gonna be lefty loosey. So you spin it, you pull it to me, and it's pull the bottom of it to me, and that's the left, and it's out. So I don't know if you've seen, here is where like the bulb is here, so you pull it to me, to this side, for it to go left, right? And it's out. Here it is. I'm going to use the same mechanism. Feel, because I know what it is in there, and it's the same bulb connection type, same bulb there, same 1 and 1, and then it's the reverse. So instead of this is the way it's in there now. So instead of pull it to me, I'm going to pull it this way, right? Pull it to me. So this is how I pull it the last time, by pulling this to me like that. Instead of pull it to me, I put it like that, right? Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna be trying. So we're feeling first. Feeling for the hole. And we found it. Found it. Yeah. We're gonna be sitting without seeing anything. And if I don't get this right, you'll be laughing at me. Ha! But I am. You don't have to. So it's in there. In that little through. Feeling. So it's in there now. Now we turn it towards that side, over the next side, right? And it's connected, and it's firm, and we don't have to worry, because it's in there. Right. So the connection is here. Let's see. Right, the connection is there. So you just plain old feel, because we can't do otherwise. If we do otherwise, we won't see nothing. So we're trying to reconnect the stuff. New LED working. So we have new lamps in. And back, remember. Don't know why this light ain't working. To check it out. I don't know why, but my LED is working. LED fog lamp is working. Here you go. But this lamp ain't working. Don't know, but we're going to look into it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll put the link to these bulbs in the description. And remember, I had to go under here to get the bulb in. I guess you can do the same thing over there, but it's kind of difficult to take it to the side there as we did the first side. Thank you for watching.